Greetings from Flaten, Stockholm, and I'm with some Eurovision merch that I got from Vienna, and I am here in the beautiful nature to cure or start treating the post-Eurovision depression. So yeah, this total Euro fan was in the goodie bag that I have won, and I have picked it up at the Eurofan house actually. And this headband, it's from one of the sponsors of the competition. I'm not sure if I should name it because YouTube might restrict it, but yeah, it's XXX Lutz, I think. It's on the back of the headband. And yeah, it's time for Chris to reconnect with Mother Nature. Nature in the best possible way, because this is also a not nature nudist beach spot as well, where I usually come. And I still feel very tired from Vienna, as I was there the whole last week. And yeah, I'm still getting used to the to the normal life after Eurovision. And yeah, today it's a bit more chillier than yesterday. Yesterday it was 16 degrees in the air. Currently we have 12, and it was raining up until now. Let's see if the lake here, Flaten, has warmed up while I was away. I'm very curious. And it has, I think, slightly. It is 14 degrees Celsius, which is amazing indeed. So yeah, I still have lots and lots of content from Vienna to share. So I have so many things to do on all social media, and I just hit 67,000 followers on TikTok, and soon I'm gonna hit 50,000 followers on YouTube as well. I'm very close to it. I need only 1,100 more, so maybe by the time you see this video I already have it, but let's see. I also have 16,000 on Instagram and 15,000 on Facebook, so Eurovision season is the best season indeed. But I am doing the beach adventures all year long, even when it's not Eurovision. So this is my zen, this is my thing, and it's gonna be a great summer, and I'm gonna take you to some of the most beautiful spots in Stockholm. I think I need to start checking out new places, as I have got too acquainted to this spot that I am going to. Today I actually took the public transport to get here, which was a bit silly because it's faster with a bike, but I still feel so tired, and it was raining also a bit, so I thought let's take the bus instead. But it's much more convenient with a bicycle, and probably I will start biking tomorrow because it's gonna be sunny, and we will have 25 degrees this weekend, so that is amazing, right? Yeah, so let me know how do you feel after Eurovision, if you have been watching it. And off goes the headband. And yesterday I finally slept for more than 8 hours since last week. So last week I was sleeping only 4 to 5 hours every night. I'm not sure how I was managing. Now I feel like I'm very close to getting sick, so I really hope I don't get sick, because I want to enjoy Mother Nature fully. I'm actually going also on the beach even when I'm sick. So yeah, it is not going to be a problem either way. So yeah, Ekuden, the well-known place, and a little bit windy right now, but we're gonna make the best of it. I see also on the other end, on the public beaches, there is nobody, so I could have went there also. And you can see one of my tattoos, and also my wristband that I got for being in the jury show of the second semi-final, right next to the stage. And this is also from the Eurofan goodie bag, and one more tattoo that will last for maybe one more week. The lady that did it said it's for 1 week, but I think it's gonna last for longer than that. Okay, enough about Eurovision. Let's speak beach. Oh, it's quite chilly actually, I'm not gonna lie, quite chilly. So let's then hit the waters in 3, 2, 1. Amazing, 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 amazing. So now the water starts to get warmer, which means I'm going to be also longer in the water. So yeah, that is a wrap for this episode. And make sure to check out my shorts that I'm posting also about Eurovision, and more beach adventures videos will come for sure. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!